Okay, here's a 60-second explanation. Okay, maybe 2-minute explanation of the starter pack. When business travel stopped a few months ago, we dealt with first things first. We went straight to work, creating a safe distance back to work solution called RDecrease with accuracy that can be measured in inches. But that's a separate video. After that, we jumped on a Zoom call with all of our guys in the field. We had them review how each of their most successful clients got started with us. We then reverse engineered that entire experience and called it, well, the starter pack. In each case, including some of our largest accounts, we started small. In fact, we started with roughly the same size bundle each time. How small, you ask? We started by asking, how can we help them solve a specific problem? And that meant putting something together that could help 5 to 10 workers, roughly 50 tools, and enough receivers to see that equipment. That usually meant receivers on a few trucks, the main tool crib, and one on another site, or further back in the yard. In nearly all cases, 2 of us could install this bundle in 1 day. Then we went through the same 6 weeks of onboarding, with the first week making sure that we knew who would be using the system, and then 5 specific scenarios, 1 per week. The first is an auto relocation demo. If a tool was originally assigned to one truck and it ends up on another truck, it shouldn't be called missing. The trucks are given a choice then to sort that out. The second thing is Geo Fencing. Geo Fencing demonstration is exactly what it sounds like. And it's where we test the range of the tags in your specific environment, as well as show you how to name and rename various fences for the most efficient way for you to use your system. The third thing is an inventory search demonstration. In this scenario, we show you how to set up your system to automatically display the inventory of tools on a given truck or a defined area. Gone are the days of manual scanning, manual inventory tracks before and after each job, day, week, month, however you did inventory. Inventory is now automatic. The fourth thing, asset recovery scenario. In this scenario, we lose or misplace a tool and show you how you can find it in an instant. As you can imagine, this will save you many costly hours over the course of each year. And the fifth and final thing is maintenance-sensitive utilization assessment. This is a big word for saying, hey, let's see what happened with your tools over these past couple weeks, and let's see if there are predictive maintenance opportunities that we couldn't see before. Because now you know. It's not about trigger pulls, it's not about time away from the crib, it's about how many minutes a day each tool is being used. So let's have a discussion in a demo of how we can set up predictive maintenance based on usage, not on calendar-based maintenance protocol. By this point, many of your assumptions about usage may surprise you. The starter pack is simply a formal bundling of this entire process, along with installation instructions, so that you can get started working smarter at a time when that's exactly what we need to be doing. Here's a recap. 5 to 10 workers, 50 tags, 3 trucks, 2 yard boxes, and all the cables and software needed to make it all readable on any wireless device. And then a tried and tested onboarding protocol that allows both of us to learn everything we need to know to make the most out of this system. Here's that list again. 50 tags, 3 truck boxes, 12 volts, 2 yard boxes at 110 volts, all the cables you need, installation videos, 6 onboarding exercises, and 3 months of service. The Recon Starter Pack will leave you wondering how you ever ran your business without it.